Starting around 07 walk 2024 AMP is exchanging at $1.51 in term of its OST rate with a value change of 42% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, which really is genuinely critical. AMP especially has a, for the most part, all-out market cap of $217,360.78 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $13,538,835 in a genuinely significant manner. This sort of makes AMP truly positioning at 300 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the AMP cost expectation end of 2024, what will AMP especially be truly worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Is AMP a truly wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Will AMP cost for the most part outperform its unsurpassed high? Certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. These, fundamentally, are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future in a by and large significant manner. AMP value expectation 2024 as per the AMP estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the AMP cost in every practical sense is supposed to really cross a normal value level of $0.71, the normal pretty least value worth of AMP toward the finish of the truly current year ought to for the most part be $0.69 in every practical sense in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, AMP can explicitly arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of $93, exhibiting that this generally makes AMP sort of positioning at 300 in the digital money market in an in every way that really matters enormous way. AMP value estimate walk 2024 the by and large normal cost of AMP could really go to $0.56 toward the finish of walk 2024, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. AMP could generally be exchanging around an especially greatest worth of $957 with a sort of least expected cost of $951 in an unobtrusive manner. AMP value estimate April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of AMP in every way that really matters is gauged to for the most part be at around the very least worth of $956 in a genuinely enormous manner. The AMP value worth can arrive at a truly limit of $96 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $58 in USD, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP value figure May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of AMP in every practical sense is supposed to truly be at around at least $57, which for the most part is genuinely critical. AMP cost can truly arrive at a really limit of $63 with the in every practical sense normal cost of $16 in an unobtrusive way. AMP value estimate June 2024 the truly normal cost of AMP could in a real sense go to $61 toward the finish of June 2024, or so they generally thought. AMP could generally be exchanging around a very most extreme worth of $66 with a truly least expected cost of $159, or so they in every way that really matters thought. AMP value estimate July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of AMP in every practical sense is gauged to for the most part be at around an extremely least worth of $96 in an exceptionally significant manner. The AMP value worth can generally arrive at a very limit of $69 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $63 in USD, which explicitly is very critical. AMP value estimate August 2024. The AMP cost for August 2024 may basically arrive at a sort of least worth of $62, while the exceptionally greatest gauge cost for the most part is around $72, which explicitly is very critical. The sort of typical cost for AMP generally is somewhat anticipated to in a real sense reach $964 in August 2024, demonstrating the way that the AMP value worth can for the most part arrive at a kind of limit of $69 with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $63 in ASC. AMP value conjecture September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of AMP essentially is anticipated to fundamentally arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $66, while the coin could exchange between a fundamentally limit of $75 and a kind of least of $64 in an in every way that really matters significant way. AMP value figure October 2024. The AMP conjecture for October 2024 expects that the AMP may for the most part arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $77 with a really least cost of around $66, or so they explicitly thought. Discussing the truly normal value AMP can stretch around $68 for October, exhibiting how AMP value estimate May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of AMP is supposed to be at around for the most part least of $0.57 in a significant manner. AMP value estimate November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of AMP truly is supposed to be at around a genuinely least of $0.68, which basically is very critical. AMP cost can, in every way that really matters, arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0.81 with the truly normal cost of $0.17 in an unobtrusive way. AMP value expectation December 2024. Concerning December 2024, AMP value is estimate to for the most part arrive at a the least cost of $0.69, showing how these of our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future, which basically is very critical. The AMP cost could arrive at a very most extreme cost of $0.83 with the fundamentally normal expected cost around $0.71, exceptionally further appearance how AMP cost can really arrive at a truly limit of $0.81 with a by and large normal cost of $0.17 in a genuinely enormous way. AMP most certainly passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been most certainly diminished by 88% in its really current worth, or so they certainly thought. Assuming we generally think about the in every practical sense current market cap of the AMP with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap basically is likewise down, or so they by and large thought. From most recent 7 days, the AMP in every practical sense was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 474% in an unobtrusive manner. AMP by and large has shown extremely in every practical sense, solid by and large potential of late, and this could be somewhat great chance to generally dive right in and contribute, demonstrating the way that the AMP cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.93 with a really normal expected cost around $0.71 additional. Appearance how AMP cost can in a real sense arrive at a limit of $0.81 with a typical cost of $0.17 in an unobtrusive way. AMP value estimate 2024 facts. What will in every way that really matters be AMP worth in 2024, or so they certainly thought. The AMP cost for the most part is estimated to really arrive at a greatest degree of $0.83 with by and large least cost of $0.69 toward the finish of 2024 in a for the most part huge manner. Does AMP in a real sense have a future? Incredibly. As far as value, AMP by and large has an exceptional truly potential to in every way that really matters arrive at new levels, showing how AMP value expectation 2024 as per the AMP estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the AMP cost especially is supposed to in every practical sense cross a for the most part normal value level of $0.71, the normal certainly least value worth of AMP toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to be $0.69 in a quite enormous manner. It explicitly is gauged that AMP will increment in esteem, showing how AMP value conjecture November 2024. In November 2024 the cost of AMP certainly is supposed to explicitly be at around a for the most part least of $0.68, by and large in opposition to main